Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technologic YouTube channel. Welcome to our part 5 video of blogging. So in the previous video we discussed about stats, comments, earning and pages. In this video let us discuss about the layout section. So before going to the video, one small request friends, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on the all, so you will get all the notification when we upload the video to you. Okay, let us get into the topic. So here we will have an option called layout. Layout is a section where you can find change the all the header, footer and slide bar menu, and you can add some more extra additional features for your blog. So let us see the some here. Let us add some gadgets in the slide bar. So let us view our sidebar. So just tap on it. Here as you can see here there is only 3 options. So let us see some of the gadgets which are available for the blogspot.com. So AdSense gadget, nothing but you can add code when you approve your Google AdSense. For you can add the code here and you can start earning money from this. From your ad will be displayed in the slide bar, so you can earn money from it. And features, blog search and HTML, the features which are not available in the blogspot.com, you can add it by the, if you know the HTML and JavaScript, you can add more features for it. And the profile and blog archery and page header, you can change the page header and followers, images and layouts, pages and link list, text, popular post and blog status and blog list, follow by us, feeds, logo and subscription links, translator. This translator helps to convert your blog language to any other language by adding this blog. And every gadget have its own function friends, you can check it out by adding those things. So let us discuss some other feature. List and contact us form and Wikipedia attribution and report abuse. So here today I will show you the what is the use of the page. So let us see once. And before that I created some page. So disclaimer, contact us and about us some pages where we can display it here. Here there is no pages are here. So let us today we can see how we can add disclaimer everything here, so that it will be helpful for to enable our Google AdSense. It is must and should to add the in home page we should add privacy policy, disclaimer and contact us about us pages. So let us see how we can add this. So I already created these pages. So for the sample purpose I created these pages, and I will show in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can generate this disclaimer, about us, contact us, privacy policy and terms and condition pages, how you can generate in upcoming videos. So please do follow our series so that you can reach to good level. So let's see, go to the layout section and click on the add gadget. So here you will get an option called pages. So add it. So here there is only option home. So let us add disclaimer, contact us and check about us and privacy policy. I don't no need the settings, so I will leave it. And we can add it title also, it is an option, so I don't want to add any title. If you want to add any external links to here, so you can add it by clicking here. You can add page title and you can give the link it here, so that it will be added to your sidebar menu. So let us save it and let's see the some changes. Just click on the, after doing all the changes, please do click on the save arrangement, so that all the settings will be saved here. And let's see our blog. So let's once refresh the page. So just click on, as you can see here, all the home, disclaimer, contact us, about us, all the pages are added. Just by clicking it we can know that this is a disclaimer page. So in upcoming videos I will show you how you can generate all those pages. And let us see, go for, so it is the helpful feature so that you can add all the pages, so it will be helpful for our AdSense. Is the most important required thing to enable the AdSense account. So please do add all the disclaimer pages. So I will, in upcoming videos I will show you how you can generate all the pages in the page section, so that by seeing video you can add it to the home page. So let us see the another option. So favorites, you can add some more favorites here. You will get a, for different themes, for different option you will get available here. For if you, for example, let us see that let us visit our page once. Here there is an option called report abuse. So I don't want this one, so I would like to remove this. So let us see how we can remove that one. So just come to the layout section, and here in sidebar menu you will get an option called report abuse. So just tap on edit, click on edit, and option there you will get visibility. So you uncheck it and save it. So after that save the alignment, and let's see it. Let's refresh the page, and now let's check this. So the abused report abuse page has been disabled from here. So you can manage all the things from the here. So for example, footer, you can add footer from here, and the blog popular post, you can remove popular post and you can add some popular post, and post to blog post. You can manage everything by clicking the edit one, so that you will get on all the options. So you can there is a lot of options friends, you can check it one by one. If you have any doubts you can also comment down below, so that I will give reply to you and it will be helpful for you. And just if I want to number of posts in the main page, I can edit from here, so that if I want to display only 10 page in the one page, so one front page, so I can add it and I can save it, so that only 10 post will be seen by the user in every page. You can uncheck this, like if you don't want to add your date, and you can just comments, labels, and you can see all the some features. So show say sharing buttons, you can uncheck it, so that the sharing buttons will be disabled. And location, you can edit all those things friends, like it will be totally depend upon your blog which you are creating on your content. So if you want try, if you are creating the traveling blog, you should add location. So I don't want this location, so I don't want, I am unchecking this and saving this settings and save alignment. So we can view some changes from here. So that's all friends for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding blogging, AdSense, anything, please comment down below. I will surely reply to you. Thank you friends, thank you so much for watching this video.